Hey, what's up there? Uh, Crazy working man fans out there. This is crazy working man. I almost dropped my bag of Cheetos. Fuck. And watching me like Stockman. And then I got the volume down, but I'm just tired of the noise. And also, I got Diet Mountain Poison. Yeah. Just thought I might take a little break from doing laundry, so. Yep. There's my door. Better hold on to the bag. Cheeto. Yep. This guy always does a good job. You're right back. One second. Yep, I got my Diet Mountain Piss, as Larry would call it. Shout out to Crazy Larry. Yep. Diet Mountain Piss or poison. Cheers, dink. Yeah, looks like I'm not gonna upload this to TikTok because basically I'm just gonna upload this to YouTube, so I basically have to do something else. Pause. Sorry about all the random pausing, so yeah. Drinking my diet poison, as some people would call it. But as soon as I get drinking it, I wake up. But also, I drink yeah, looks like I'm right. Yeah. Just in case you haven't noticed, I about ready to flip over under my back. And which is you didn't notice, I tripped over that fan over there. It kind of sucked. That'd be cool to yeah, no. Yeah, so I'm just kind of busy taking a break from doing laundry, so yay. Yeah. Trying to get rid of my headache, which is it did go away, so Sorry, I'm shaking a video. I haven't had no kind of a lunch, so. Mountain Dew! Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Come here, let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Are you Mountain Dew drinking some bitch? Shout out to Boogie. I stole your Mountain Dew, bro. I'm kidding, I got a whole case of them at home. This is my home, by the way. Yeah. It kind of sucks when you have to mow in the rain. Did one of you dogs just let her rip? Max? Breezy? Rector 10? I will get lunch here in a while, so anyways. Enough being said, which I had a big breakfast this morning, so yay. Yep. I should have like a mower like that, but no. I'd be afraid to freaking get a heart attack on that mower. Because my grandpa had one before he died. That man had congestive heart failure. Dumbass lawnmower. I know some people would say, how did he have a heart attack? Was he on the mower? Well, no, he got off the mower and tried to breathe and he fell on the floor. I hated riding lawnmowers and stand-alongs from now on. Forgive me for all you lawnmowers out there that use a ride-along or stand-along lawnmower. So I just not into those types of things. And I'm really sorry for that, you guys. Actually, yeah, I'm just sorry for it, so. But I would kill to like the shovel on lawn. Or rake up a lawn. Or regular push mow it. Regular push mow. Yay. I'm out of Mountain Dew. Yep. Anyways, I'm out of here. This is just me watching YouTube because I'm kind of bored right now. Yeah, check up on my laundry. So here in 5 minutes. So, Boogie, shout outs to you, bro. And yes, I stole your Mountain Dew. I'm kidding. How could I steal your Mountain Dew? Peace.